Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how to use GPT-4 for free. So let's jump right into it. So here, Microsoft Bing confirmed that Bing search engine now actually runs on GPT-4. So GPT-4 is an upgrade to ChatGPT. So if you want to experience the power of GPT-4, you can go ahead and use Microsoft's Bing. This is Microsoft's search engine, and you will be able to use GPT-4. So it is also worth mentioning that for this to function well, you need to use Microsoft Edge as your browser, and you need to log into your Microsoft account. Now, if you don't have a Microsoft account, you can go ahead and create one. It's pretty easy and straightforward. So let's go ahead and go to Bing. And here, let's click on chat. Now here, by the way, we can remember that with ChatGPT, the information is limited until 2021. So any event that happened after 2021 won't be available with ChatGPT. So let's try and put that to the test. Let's go ahead and open up ChatGPT. Okay, so for example here, we will ask, what is the biggest disaster in 2021? Now here we can see that the information provided by ChatGPT, the old version, is only limited until June of 2021. So let's go back to Bing, and here let's ask the same question. So what is the biggest disaster in 2021? Now here it actually gives you a lot more information of what happened in 2021. So if you want to experience GPT-4, you can use Bing, the Microsoft search engine, but you need to remember that you also need to install Microsoft Edge, and you also need to be logged in to your Microsoft account. So that would be all for this video, guys. This is how you can use GPT-4 for free. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.